Hello everyone, I'm Zilla and welcome to my channel. And you're probably wondering what's going on with me. Why am I wearing sunglasses? Well, I'm wearing sunglasses because I'm sitting outside and it's really glary because the lighting inside is not good. But I decided that I'm not gonna let that put me off. I'm still gonna go ahead and record this intro. Today's video is a very special video, but before I get into it, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around because I know I haven't uploaded a video for a very long time. And if you're a new subscriber here, I want to say welcome to my channel. Today's video is really special. I feel Christmas has come early. I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going to pick up my new car. It's been more than a year that I've had no car, and I'm extremely excited to share this experience with you all. And it's all about gratitude, especially since we're coming towards Christmas. I definitely feel that Christmas has come early for me. So I don't want to go on too much. Let's get straight into the video.
Away, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. This Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance.
Come on.
Dance. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long, we're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
Hey, yeah.